Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi, if you're new. I'm seriously so excited because I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me today for an Etsy studio vlog. It's going to be so much fun. I'm going to be making new bracelets for my Etsy. We're going to restock them. We're going to add them to Etsy. I have an order to ship out. I also want to share with you guys my new scrunchie inventory as well. It's a lot of fun pink stuff because I have my hashtag 45 days of pink challenge going on over on my Instagram, which be sure to check out. I also created an Instagram, which is just like Kellyprepster Studio, for my Etsy page, which is so exciting. I have so many fun things planned for this year for my Etsy, so you definitely want to check it out. It's linked down below. But before we get started and start making all the bracelets and everything, if you're new to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you guys hit that subscribe button down below along with the little bell so you can get notified the next time I upload. But we're just gonna go over to my desk. So I am sitting down at my desk. I'm going to use my iPad and write a list of what I want all my bracelets to say. I love writing down all the words right away. If you guys have watched my bracelet videos in the past, you guys know I do this. That way I can just plan them all out and just pick the colors as I go. So I'm super excited because the last time I added new bracelets to my Etsy was during the holidays. So they're all like Christmassy and fun, festive stuff. So I'm like, I need some like Valentine bracelets and just kind of like springtime. So I'm going to come up with a list of things and I'll share that with you guys once I'm done. Seriously so excited. They're going to be so perfect for Valentine's Day. So definitely when you're watching this video, go check out my Etsy because you want to get it in time for Valentine's Day. It's linked down below. But the 11 ideas are XOXO, love ya, always, forever yours, be mine, hug, love, cutie, heart, and galentine. I'm seriously so excited. So if you guys haven't watched any of my bead videos before, I'll insert a playlist. But I love going through with my alphabet letters. I'll show you guys real quick. My alphabet letters over here, these are all alphabetized. These are more organized because I ran out of little cube space. But I spell them out on this extra tray because this is how I make my bracelets. And it just seriously saves so much time since I'll do it in like an assembly line style. And then once I have them all spelled out over here, we'll pick the color. So we're just gonna get right into it. I have them all picked out. Now my favorite part is picking out which color goes best with all of these. I'm seriously so excited because I have so much fun with this part. So I picked out all the colors. I want to share with you guys what I was thinking. So I picked out this like really fun metallic-y pink for Galentine, purple for heart, orange for cutie. I was kind of getting like these little candy sugar hearts for Valentine's Day vibe. A sparkly pink glitter one for love, purple like matte pastel for hugs, and then like a neon pink for be mine, sparkly yellow for forever, sparkly orange for always, a neon yellow for love ya, and then this really pretty pearly pink for XOXO. Now I'm going to be using this stretchy string. I picked this up from Walmart. It lasts forever. This is my second one of these and I've made over 200 bracelets with the first set, so it really does last a while. I do recommend getting like the whole roll of it just so you don't run out. And I'm going to show you guys how I make these, and it's super simple and I'm so excited. So you are going to need a pair of scissors, again this string, and then I like to use my tray to measure it all out, but it's around 7 inches, which is like the ideal wrist size, and it's stretchy so it usually fits everyone unless they do ask for a different measurement. So I don't cut the string until after I bead it all just because it makes it so much easier. So I'm going to start from the bottom and work up. I just finished making all of them. They're seriously so cute, and I feel like they're like the perfect little Valentine's Day color scheme. So I'm going to head over to the Sell on Etsy app on my iPad. I really want to do a what's on my iPad video, so be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if that's something you would want to see. And I'm going to be uploading all of these so they are available by the time you're watching this. It's linked down below. Super simple. I just take all the pictures on my white desk with my iPhone and then edit them and put them on here. Oh my gosh, I'm seriously so excited with how these all turned out. I think this one and the Galentine are my favorite. They are linked on my Etsy. I just finished uploading them all. I also really want to share with you guys all my new scrunchies that I've been sewing because I have a ton of new pink ones. So I'm going to go get those and I'm going to share with you guys what I have listed already. This is my big box of scrunchies. I feel like I need to get a bigger box because I have so many different patterns going on. I'm sending a few of these out to my best friend, but one of them just sold today. I think it's this one. This one is seriously so pretty. This one just sold. But I have like so many different patterns, tons of pink ones, orange, yellow, we got blue. They're like silky. I have a Lily Pulitzer prints, which are so much fun. This one is, hold on, do I have a Lily? Yeah, this one's Lily. It's so fun. And then this one's like one of my favorites. It's like little pink sunflowers. We got this like plain pink one. They're so fluffy and also like super stretchy too, which I love. I feel like they're super cute to like wear on your wrist or in your hair. So these are all linked on my Etsy. I hope you guys had fun making all these bracelets with me. Again, everything will be linked down below in the description box. My Etsy's linked down below. Everything is only $3, free shipping. It's so much fun and seriously means so much to me when you guys support my Etsy business. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. And if you guys are new to my channel and haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!